Okay, so this video is installing German blinds these are rolling shutters, high quality rolling shutters made of aluminium. They interlock with these plastic little bits, and you can see they're actually aluminium with sandwiched foam board. The top roller is this guy, and it splits apart like this. So these guys split apart. Then this goes in, locks into place, and then this guy goes on top of it and locks into place. So it's a reasonably simple mechanism. You can see they're ratcheting. I've got a box out here which has spare parts for the blinds. You can see these are the black things, and then there's this guy which is the bearing roller. So a bunch of bearings. This is the roller frame. So a bunch of bearings, you can see it from the side. Little bunch of bearings and plastic tabs. I don't really like the plastic thing, but that's what you got anyway. Square handle, these two plastic things, and how it's fixed is with these rivets. So to remove it for servicing or whatever, you have to basically drill a hole and drill out the rivets and replace them with screws. So I've got that. And then this is the box. You can see made in Germany. And that's the part number. And that's where they attach. So only 1 and 2 attachment points. And then the rivets basically hold it in place. So it's typical German engineering. And then these are the side panels. So what I don't like, so it does seem to work better when it's reversed, but I'm still worried about this thing cutting into it. Anyway, keep it as it is for now and see what happens. You can see it has to be set only that way. So what I don't like is these guys just have one screw point. So basically put the rope in and put a screw point out there and then wrap it. I got this little guide. So I don't really care for it too much. They don't have any other holes. So there's no way to hold the rope in place. You can see pretty simple. Also, the ball bearings are not greased, and this is a plastic hub. Now this plastic hub will fall apart and break because this outrage ring would break. For example, you can see this one was shattered. So the failure point was here, but what ruined the whole mechanism was the center ring which cracked. And you can see the cracked center ring here, so you can see it lost its plastic parts. So you can see this looks different from this because it's lost its plastic parts, and the bearings were allowed to escape because they basically cracked the little plastic retaining rings. So I don't like this. Of course, like most German parts, is designed to fail, so a lot of it fails if one portion of it fails because the stresses are so high. And you can see some of this caused by the cracking. This was where to rivet it out, and this guy here, You can see the new one has nothing other than yeah, it's got absolutely nothing, not even a screw hole to hold it in place, so it's kind of annoying. I suspect these tabs will fail if you try and put it in. So that's annoying. But whatever, I guess I have to work with what I've got. So yeah, so I'll put a screw in and then tie the rope to it. See if I can improve it along the way as well. Probably not. So I'm drilling out the rivets. So you can see the heads are gone. That should allow me to slide this out. It does. You can see the back side of the rivet here. Front side and back side. Anyway. So now we just slide this back in. Collapse these two little tabs. And it goes in fully. There you go. That's in fully. That's what we need to install it. That's about it. We'll be flipping this back out and putting a screw through this to prevent it from going in again. Okay, so I've screwed the two screws in, 1 and 2, and you can see when I rotate it, let go, it swings back. So that's what it should be doing. So since I have the lip here, it'll go up this way. So the end portion should be out here. So you can see it works fine. This did come in an AluLux ALULUX box 14876. So that's the specifications for the shutter from rollshutters.ca.